Hi, and welcome to the next episode of Qt QML tutorial. This episode is going to be the last from the current series about the fundamentals of Qt and QML. I hope that you learned a lot with me and you deserve some tips, some tricks, some suggestions how to continue your adventure with Qt framework. My name is Lukas Kosiński. I am the CEO of SciStudio, Qt QML consulting company. We help our customers achieve their objectives by providing them with skilled Qt developers. Okay, so without further ado, let's talk about how to learn Qt QML development. Okay, so why do I really talk about that? Some of you may think, okay, cool, I learned a lot, but what should I do next? Some of you may want to develop their career with Qt as another important part of their skill set. So this episode is my recommended list of things, of resources to check out if you want to learn more. Let's go. All right. First on the list is the treasure chest that is the Qt documentation and examples. Folks, let me tell you, it's not just a documentation. Qt's official docs are packed with practical examples, guides, and in-depth explanation on almost every aspect of the framework. Of course, some things are missing, especially the more detailed one, but it's still like having an experienced mentor right at your fingerprints. In Qt Creator, you will also find examples section where you can take a look at some sample projects. There are also listed in the documentation. You will even find here examples created by our SciStudio guys. Yeah, and there is also a QML book. It is a community-driven written resource on almost all aspects of Qt framework. Moving along, let's dive into the sea of online courses. Of course, nomen omen, you are watching the best one on the Qt fundamentals, but as in the case of other technologies, the platform that's truly good for video stuff is Udemy, right? There is plenty of courses there, but maybe there is not enough content about more advanced topics. There is also an e-learning platform by the Qt group, but as for now, there you will also have rather basics. At SciStudio, we are warming up to start recording our advanced Qt and QML training to make it an online video course. Yeah, just to make our commercial trainings more available. At this time, we offer only scheduled trainings for those who want to meet with us in small groups and have a dedicated tutor for a particular topic. Of course, this may be not the best solution for individuals, but yeah, feel free to check our trainings offer page. Link is in the description. So, for example, we have our advanced QML training that consists of topics as proper usage of Qt models, advanced usage of views, dynamic creation of QML objects, scaling, scaling UI, QML modules, profiling, debugging, and QML plugins. Yeah, so now let's get real. The essence of learning any programming framework lies in interactive learning by coding. Practice, my friends, is essential. Where to start? A cool idea is to head over to Dribble and pick enabling UI design. Now you can take that design and bring it to life using Qt and QML. You can trust me that it's not just fun, but it's a great way to learn, to get some experience. Or you could do even better, and you could pick your favorite app and recreate the UI of that app in QML. Just try to challenge yourself. Yeah, and next on my list would be contributing to open source projects. This is a two-way street. of greatness. Not only you are giving back to the community, but you are also learning and growing as a developer. Okay, so go to GitHub, find a Qt project that is interesting for you, and make your mark. As you know, Qt is cross-platform and viable for mobile and embedded platforms as well, so you can try Qt on those platforms as well as part of your learning path. Yeah, let's talk about efficiency now. You see, having the skills is great, but knowing your way around the tools is equally important. Qt Creator is a robust IDE, and learning it can really speed up your development process. You can take a look at this Qt Creator cheat sheet. Link is in the description. This bad boy is packed with shortcuts and tips that will have you navigating Qt Creator like a pro. All the shortcuts in one convenient place. You could not get better. Yeah, and before we wrap up, there is one final piece of advice I want to share. Stay in the loop. The Qt ecosystem is always evolving, and it's important to keep your fingers on the pulse. A fantastic resource for this is planet.qt.io. It's an RSC feed that aggregates all the latest and greatest blogs about Qt. It's a bit like your daily Qt newspaper. Yeah, and don't forget about us, about Sci Studio. We are constantly posting new content that you won't want to miss. So subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful videos, follow our LinkedIn profile for the latest updates, and check our blog for in-depth technical articles. We are here to ensure that your Qt journey is rich and fulfilling. So again, keep learning. Stay curious about Qt and keep learning all the time. Okay, so we have covered a lot today. It's going to be the end of this episode. It's going to be the end of this series. I wanted to say a big thank you from me and my entire team. Whether we do future episodes or no, it purely depends on the feedback, on your comments, on your suggestions, on your ideas. So let me know in the comments whether we should continue or not. We will see. Yeah, so again, thank you, take care, and happy coding.